Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect PayPal accounts to ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, products, fulfillment and analytics. We have marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect PayPal accounts to ShopBase. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, what you of course need to do guys is go and log into your admin panel and then navigate to settings. So in the left top bottom of the screen, you have settings as you can see. Then under the payment provider section, click add payment provider. So go to the payment providers and add a payment provider. Then when you click add payment provider, choose PayPal from the list of available payment providers. You will be prompted to log into your PayPal account, enter PayPal credentials, and authorize the connection. Once connected, you can configure the settings such as payment methods, currency, and other preferences. Make sure to save your changes to complete the setup. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.